Choosing the right window material is one of the most important decisions a homeowner in Melville can make. With changing seasons, strong sun exposure in the summer, and periods of heavy rain or wind, windows need to be durable, energy efficient, and low maintenance. The right material won't just boost curb appeal, it will also protect your home, reduce utility bills, and maintain performance for decades. Below is a helpful guide to the best long-lasting window materials and what makes each one a strong option for Melville homeowners. Vinyl windows. Affordable and low-maintenance vinyl continues to be one of the most popular window materials for good reason. It offers excellent insulation, resists moisture, and never needs repainting. For homeowners looking for longevity without an inflated price tag, vinyl is a top contender. Benefits: won't crack, peel, or fade in harsh weather. Excellent thermal efficiency helps cut energy costs. Very minimal upkeep required. Available in a wide range of sizes and styles. Vinyl windows are a great choice if you're looking for durability on a budget, while still maintaining comfort and noise reduction inside the home. Fiberglass windows. Built for strength and temperature stability, fiberglass windows are an upgrade for homeowners who want higher performance and exceptional lifespan. This material is engineered to resist warping, swelling, and contraction, even during temperature swings, a valuable advantage in Melville's seasonal climate. Benefits: exceptional strength and rigidity. Outstanding energy efficiency. Mimics the look of painted wood without the maintenance. Long service life with very little upkeep. Because fiberglass expands and contracts at the same rate as glass, it maintains its fit over time, reducing air leaks and helping to prolong window performance even after many years. Wood windows. Classic style with excellent insulation. Wood has been used in homes for centuries, and for many Melville homeowners, its natural beauty is unmatched. Wood windows provide excellent thermal insulation and a warm, classic appearance that enhances traditional or historic architecture. Benefits: high level of energy efficiency. Elegant appearance that can be painted or stained to match decor. Adds character and premium value to the home. While wood does require occasional sealing or painting to protect against moisture, today's treated wood products offer far better resistance to rot and weather, significantly extending their lifespan. Aluminum-clad wood windows. The best of both worlds. If you love the natural aesthetic of wood but want extra protection from the elements, aluminum-clad wood windows offer a hybrid solution. These windows feature a wood interior for warmth and beauty, and an exterior aluminum shell for weather resistance. Benefits: exterior stays protected from rain and UV exposure. Interior retains premium wood finish and insulation. Durable finish that resists corrosion and fading. Ideal for long-term performance. This combination gives you an elegant interior and a rugged exterior that stands up to Melville's weather without frequent maintenance. Composite windows. Modern innovation meets durability. Composite windows are engineered from a blend of materials, often including fiberglass, wood fibers, and polymers. The result is a stronger, more stable window frame that delivers exceptional durability. Benefits: highly resistant to moisture and temperature change. Excellent energy efficiency rating. Longer lifespan than standard wood or vinyl alone. Environmentally friendly construction options available. Composite windows are an excellent choice for homeowners wanting superior performance, modern appearance, and sustainable materials. Which material is right for your home? The best material for long-lasting windows ultimately depends on your preferred style, maintenance expectations, and budget. Vinyl is ideal for cost-effective durability. Fiberglass excels in strength and insulation. Wood delivers timeless character. Aluminum-clad wood offers hybrid protection, and composites provide cutting-edge performance. If you're planning a window upgrade in Melville, choosing a long-lasting material is a smart investment that will improve your home's comfort, aesthetics, and overall value. With the right window material, you'll gain long-term peace of mind knowing your windows can withstand the elements while looking great year after year.